final week of our semifinal round. So again, ang maghaharap po ngayon is the Annunciation Panthers and the UNC Greyhounds in our juniors division. So let's see on our team standing sa ating Division 1. Our Panthers, number 4 with 3 and 6, and while the UNC Greyhounds is on number 6 spot, having 1 and 8 standing. So a very crucial matchup at this morning. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo ngayong araw na ito. Again, live na live po tayo sa ating venue, Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium, para masaksihan ang paghaharap ng dalawang magaling na kupunan. So yun nga, in a few minutes magsisimula na po ang matchup ng Panthers and ng Greyhounds. So on their first encounter sa ating first round of elimination, na po ng Panthers dito ang UNC Greyhounds. Nagkaroon po tayo ng overtime, but on that last minute ng ating overtime, talagang ginawa ng paraan or kinapitan dito ng Panthers yung panalo nila kontra UNC Greyhounds. Let's see dito sa ating pangalawang round ng elimination kung itong UNC Greyhounds ba ay makakabawi dito sa Annunciation Panthers, or will the Panthers repeat the history on that first round of elimination. So tutok lamang po sa Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page, and 1 Media TV 48 Naga, because maya-maya po mag-shoutout po tayo ng mga live viewers natin. Maraming salamat po. So ayan, magsisimula na ang matchup between these two teams, and let's see kung kanino papabor ngayon. Ang panalo is between the Greyhounds and the Annunciation Panthers. At pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, ACLC Hawks, and Tigers Café. Maraming salamat po. And this live coverage is powered by Converge. Maraming salamat po. So as you can see on our screen, magsisimula na tayo with a tip-off. First ball possession will go on the side of the Greyhounds. But unfortunately, may lalabas dito ang bola, but still, it's their ball possession. Jersey number 8 looking for his teammate. And jersey number 2 fires for that 3, no good. Chance for the Panthers here to draw the first blood on our first quarter. Jersey number 8 nagmamadali, looking for his teammate, taking their time here. And great steal coming from the Panthers. Gobis passing the ball to Hamoragan. Finding their groove here, pero wala pa din on that 3-point attempt. Now Greyhounds on the offense. No good. Wala pa din dito nakakakuha ng unang puntos. Now Hamoragan passing the ball to his teammate. Maru heavily guarded here. 5 seconds to shoot para dito sa Panthers, and Hamoragan with that 3-point shot. So first blood goes on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Let's see kung may pagbawi ba dito ang Greyhounds. Yun nga, 3 points din ang papakawalan dito on the side of the UNC. So we are all tied up at 3. Hamoragan one more time, no good. But the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Greyhounds ang may awak ng bola. No good on that. But the ball will remain on the side of the Greyhounds. Sayang yung opportunity yon on the side of their team. But let's see. UNC to inbound. Wala pa din on that last sequence para dito kay jersey number 24 Gorobat. And now Hamaragan choosing Maru, and Maru tries for that 3-point attempt but no good. Hamaragan heavily guarded here and blocked by the UNC player. Nice steal coming from them. It's their chance here to take the lead para dito sa ating first quarter, but back-to-back steal for both teams. But a traveling violation was called on jersey number 81 on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Again, traveling violation is more fun with Nagayan Travel and Tours. And an early timeout para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung ano ang magiging game plan nila para makuha na ang lead para dito sa ating first quarter. Ayan, sa mga live viewers po natin, mag-comment po kayo kung magpapa-shoutout because maya-maya magsha-shoutout po tayo sa ating mga loyal viewers dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, as we can see on our live stream, we have 32 viewers already para dito sa match-up ng UNC Greyhounds and Annunciation Panthers. Maraming salamat po. And back to the ball game. Greyhounds with the ball possession. Gorobat choosing jersey number 8. Finding his way and passing the ball to his teammate. And what a great connection at that last sequence. Courtesy of jersey number 18. No good. UNC basketball, 6 minutes and 7 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Now jersey number 8 looking for his teammate, passing the ball to Gorobat. And a foul was called on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So 2 shots will be given on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. No good on that first attempt. Let's see on his second try kung madadagdagan ba dito ang kanilang kalamangan. And yun nga, 3-point lead ang hawak ng Greyhounds. Ano kaya ang gagawin ditong pagbawi on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, but turnover para sa kanilang koponan. So, another opportunity on the side of Greyhounds. Comprado passing the ball to jersey number 0, Alano. And the ball will stay on their side. And a substitution on the side of the Panthers. Jersey number 6 is out and ipapasok dito si Diaz. Menes to Gorobat. Muntik pang maagawan dito, but Gorobat delivers on that last play on the side of this UNC ground squad. 5-point lead ang kailangang habulan dito ng Panthers. Maru passing the ball to jersey number 18, Detera. At makakabawi din dito si jersey number 17, Gobis. Comprado. Passing the ball to Alano. 8 seconds to shoot para dito sa Greyhounds, and a great steal coming from Maru. And with that steal, basket count. Samahan pa yan ng isang free throw para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Let's take a look on our instant replay, and yun nga, Maru with that fast break. Maru for the 3-point play. It was successfully done. 8 all on our scoreboard. Mabilis na nahabol dito ng Greyhounds ng Panthers rather, ang ating Greyhounds. Ano ang sagot dito on their side to get their lead again, but great steal coming from Destura. And Maru again, but no good. Block on the side of the Greyhounds, and securing that one. It's their ball possession. Comprado to Alano. Passing the ball to Gorobat with that mid-range jumper, no good. Offensive rebound on the side of the Greyhounds, at matatawagan nga ng foul dito si Gorobat on that last sequence. Now Alano stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity to take back the lead on their side. And a couple of substitution on the Greyhounds. Jersey number 23, Galano, is in. First attempt was good on the side of the Greyhounds. But no good on the second attempt. The ball will stay on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Another chance for them to add their lead here, their 1-point lead. Offensive rebound para dito sa Greyhounds. Nagagawa ng bola, but Gorobat makakakuha pa ng puntos para sa last sequence. Kitang-kita sa ating replay. Gorobat flying and scoring on the side of the Greyhounds. That's why mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng Annunciation Panthers. Because 11-8 na po ang ating scoreboard. Ayan, mag-shoutout muna po tayo. Shoutout dito kay Christine Reyes, kay Aljan Pogoy, Cristina Valenzuela, at kay Sofia Recto. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. And shoutout po kay Beboy Munares Esquelona na sumusuporta sa Panthers. Maraming salamat po. Ball possession ng Panthers. Time to convert a point. Maru itatawid ang bola. Maru looking for his teammate, but the ball will remain on their side. Domashan to inbound. 9 seconds to shoot para dito sa Panthers. Diaz passing the ball to Maru. 5 seconds to shoot. Maru will try for that 3 at wala pang sabit on the 3-point shot. Napakagandang pagbawi and we are outside up at 11. No good on the 3-point attempt coming from Agnas. And now, itatawid ang bola ni Detura. Domasian with that mid-range jumper. Agawa ng bola, offensive rebound para dito sa Panthers, heavily guarded by the two Greyhounds team. Maaagawan nga ng bola sa Detura. Nice reaction para dito kay Agnas. Galano looking for his teammate. Galano to his teammate. Di pa rin dito pumapasok ang opensa ng ating Greyhounds. Ball possession will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Substitution para dito sa Panthers. Hatchazo ipapasok. Detura may hawak ng bola on their side. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining para sa ating first quarter. The ball will go on the side of the Greyhounds. A very close and tight first quarter para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. Galano passing the ball to Agnas. Taking their time here. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Greyhounds. No good. But offensive rebound para kay Gorobat. Naagawan ng bola dito. Diaz passing the ball to Hatchazo. And Hatchazo with that point conversion. Galano heavily guarded here, passing the ball to his teammate. And what a nice pass and nice point conversion coming from Enes. Detura to Maru. Offensive rebound. And this time, 3 points naman ang papakawalan dito ni Detura on that last sequence. So 3-point lead ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. 53 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Menes to Galano. No good. Offensive rebound. Pero passing to the wrong people. And with that, napaganda pa nga on the side of this Annunciation Panthers. Galano fires for that one. No good. Diaz securing that ball. But nice steal coming from Galano. And Agnas with that layup. Maru fires for that one. And a buzzer beater shot coming from Maru. Let's take a look one more time for that replay. Napakagandang buzzer beater shot. And that's the end of our first quarter. 21-15 in favor on the side of the Panthers. Magbabalik po kami for our second quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV. Tiga ng mga kampiyon. And we are back here for our second quarter match between the Panthers and the Greyhounds. Dun nga sa naiwan nating score, we have 21-15 in favor on the side of the Panthers. Let's see kung makakabawi ba dito ang UNC Greyhounds or patuloy na aarangkada ang Panthers. And mag-shoutout naman tayo dito sa ating live viewers. Shoutout po kay Anisito Maru, kay Jameson Brain at kay Janjan Basales. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. UNC Basketball. Seven seconds to shoot. Jersey number 7 fires for that one. No good. Hindi pumasok yung 3-point attempt ni Lomberio. And now Detura itatawid ang bola on the side of the Panthers. Detura fires for that one. No good. Offensive rebound. Agawan ng bola. So the ball will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Lomberio to inbound. Passing the ball to Hermosa. Heavily guarded here. Muntik pang maagawan dito. And a foul was called on jersey number 6. Jersey number 16 rather, on the side of the Panthers. Lomberio to Hermosa. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive rebound and the ball will stay on their side. Lomberio to inbound, looking for his teammate, passing the ball to Agnas. Sunga rather. But a great steal coming from the Panthers. No good on that attempt coming from Anlapas. And great steal coming from the Greyhound side. Lomberio looking for his teammate, passing the ball to Hermosa. Lomberio fires for that long three. At makakakuha siya ng 3 points. Ano kaya ang sagot dito ng Panthers on that 3-point shot? No good. Alano securing that rebound. Pero no good on that attempt. Hamoragan, itatawid ang bola on the side of the Panthers. Passing the ball to jersey number 16 and no good. And a substitution, ilalabas dito si Diez at ipapasok si Domasian on the side of Panthers, and Gorobat on the side of the Greyhounds. Ibabalik din dito sa loob ng court. Hermosa passing the ball to jersey number 1 on the side of the Panthers. Nice steal coming from Den. And a nice point conversion. Napaganda pa nga with a steal and point conversion on the side of this Annunciation Panther squad. Now, Hermosa and the rest of the Greyhounds. Ano kaya ang gagawing pagbawi? And right on cue, Hermosa with that 2 points. Amoragan passing the ball to jersey number 10. Hatchazo, pero foul was committed on the side of the Greyhounds. That's why Manlapas on that free throw opportunity to other score here. 3 points po ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. Dagdagan pa yan ng isa. 24-20. And 2 straight points coming from Manlapas. And now, Greyhounds with the ball possession. Comprado. Looking for his teammate. Passing the ball to Gorabot. And losing that one. So turnover on their side. Chance for the Panthers here to add their lead. Amoragan passing the ball to Hatchazo. The ball will remain on their side. No good on that 3-point attempt. Foul was called on Hermosa on that last attempt. And another point conversion para dito sa ating Panthers. Comprado. May hawak ng bola. Passing the ball to Hermosa. Heavily guarded here. 10 seconds to shoot. Fires for that one. And 3 points. Para dito kay Hermosa. At hindi rin magpapatalo dito ang side ng Panthers courtesy of Hatchazo. Palitan ng 3 on that last play. Comprado. No good. Offensive rebound para dito sa Greyhounds. Nice block coming from the Panthers side. Amoragan passing the ball to his teammate. Hatchazo will try one more time for that 3 points. Back-to-back 3 points for him. Napakagandang bawi on the side of the Panthers. Back-to-back 3 points para dito kay Hatchazo. Foul was called on jersey number 11, rather 81 on the side of the Panthers. At mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang side ng UNC Greyhounds kasi medyo lumalaki na po ang hawak na kalamangan dito on the side of the Panthers. So anong magiging adjustment dito on the side of the UNC Greyhounds? And I would like to commend the effort of the Panthers. Let's see on our highlight here. The back-to-back 3 points shot of Hatchazo. At ito po yung pangalawang 3 points niya. Napakaganda on the side of their team. Anong gagawin dito ng Greyhounds to bounce back from that last 4 minutes and 12 seconds para sa ating first half? And it's time for the Greyhounds here to bounce back and find their groove here. para mahabol dito ang kalamangang hawak ng Panthers. And on the side of Panthers naman, they need to be consistent for them to get a momentum sa pagtatapos nitong second quarter. Greyhounds with the ball possession. Comprado fires for that 3 and makakabawi din dito. Nice point conversion after the timeout. Now Hatchazo. Heavily guarded. And nice defense shown on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. That's why turnover para sa Panthers. Chance for the Greyhounds here to score. Salanga to Comprado. Passing the ball to jersey number 7. Lumberio, no good. Nice steal coming from the Panthers. Detura. What a move para dito kay Detura. Fast break play para dito sa Panthers. Ano ang magiging sagot dito ng Greyhounds? Herbosa, heavily guarded here. At mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers side. So a snapshot on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay Bong Bartilet, JM Miraya, Beboy Esquelona, kay Yuli Base, at kay Raymart Alminye. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. And we would like to acknowledge our sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Ateneo de Naga University, ACLC Naga, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Lemon Residences, V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Café, and Garden Cafe. Maraming salamat po. The ball will remain on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Comprado to inbound, passing the ball to Hermosa. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. And nice steal coming from the Panthers. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Comprado will try one more time for that 3 points. And now Gobbies. No good. So foul was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Gobbies with that free throw opportunity. No good para sa unang attempt. But basket on the second try of Gobbies. Comprado passing the ball to Hermosa, UNC basketball. Heavily guarded here. Hermosa and Comprado will try, and back-to-back 3 points para dito kay Comprado. Gobbies, no good on that. What a wasted opportunity on the side of Panthers. And now Greyhounds nagmamadali dito. But still coming from Detura. Babawi ba dito ang Panthers? And right on cue, Detura with that layup. What an exchange of points para sa dalawang kupunan na ito. UNC basketball. But Greyhounds losing that one. So the ball possession will go on the side of the Panthers. Hatchazo to inbound. Passing the ball to Detura. No good on that attempt. But the ball will remain on the side of their team. 14 seconds to shoot para dito sa Panthers. Offensive rebound para kay Hatchazo and another point conversion for him. 39-32. Rather 41-32 on our scoreboard. Abante pa rin dito ang Panthers. Comprado looking for his teammate. But great steal coming from Detura, and Hachiso will do the honor on that point conversion. Last 1 minute of our first half. Napakaganda ng pinapakitang offense at depensa ng Panthers. Ano kaya ang maisasagot dito ng Greyhounds? Comprado will fire for that one. No good. Great steal coming from Comprado. Chance for them to score, but losing that one. Too strong on that pass. So ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. Gobbies, maaagawan ng bola. Greyhounds with the ball possession. What a nice steal coming from Domasian. Ball possession ng Panthers. Hatchazo to inbound. 5 seconds remaining for our first half. Maru with that long 3-point attempt, pero no good. That's the end of our first half. 43-32 on our scoreboard. Abante pa rin po dito ang Panthers. Magbabalik po kami for our second half only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
leap.
We are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating match-up. Nasa second half na po tayo. Again, it's between the Panthers and the Greyhounds. Ano kayang gagawin ditong pagbawi on the side of the UNC Greyhounds because hindi pa po sila nakakakuha ng lead para doon, ay para dito sa ating laro. And on the side of Panthers, again, consistency is the key. Detura passing the ball to Gobes. No good for the 3-point attempt coming from Domashan. UNC basketball. Panthers with the ball possession. Detura looking for his teammate. Fires for that one, no good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Gobis pero naagawan siya ng bola. Comprado. Passing the ball to Alano. Alano for the 3-point, no good. But Greyhounds losing that ball, so the ball possession will go on their opponent. Detura to Maru. Maru fires for that one and another long three para dito sa ating Panthers side. Greyhounds, they need a good offense at this moment. Alano for that mid-range jumper, and it was good. Ayan nga, the UNC community shouting depensa on the side of their team. Maru looking for his teammate, passing the ball to Gobis. Maru for that long three again, not this time. Comprado and the rest of the Greyhounds team needs to step up at this moment para maitable itong laro or even malagpasan dito ang hawak na puntos ng Panthers. But traveling violation was called on the side of the Greyhounds. Again, traveling violation is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Maru forcing that one. But Greyhound stealing that ball. Chance for them to have point on conversion. Comprado itatawin ng bola. Passing the ball to Alano. Offensive rebound. Alano passing the ball to Comprado. or rather menace on that point conversion. "15 seconds to shoot para dito sa Panthers. Detura. No good. But a second chance point coming from Gobis. UNC basketball. Alano. Tugorobat. What a nice steal coming from Maru. Passing the ball to jersey number 16, Manlapas. In and out ball, but a second chance point para dito sa Greyhounds. Okay, so it's Dumasyon on the side of the Panthers on that last sequence na nagkaroon ng point conversion. Maru to Gobis. Turnover on the side of Panthers. Greyhounds with a chance to add their score here. Gorobat. Wala pa din para dito sa Greyhounds. But nice second chance point para dito kay Reyes. Let's see one more time on that replay. And Reyes with that beautiful point conversion on the side of the Greyhounds. .41 on our scoreboard. 9-point lead na lamang po ang kailangang habulin ng Greyhounds. Maru to Detura. Passing the ball to jersey number 6, De La Rosa. But out of bounds ball. Another opportunity para sa Greyhounds. Comprado. Too strong on that pass. And a substitution on the side of Panthers. Domasyon is out and Hatchazo is in. Maru taking his time. Passing the ball to Detura. Nice block coming from the Greyhounds, pero still on the side of the Panthers. Reyes passing the ball to Comprado. Great steal on the side of Panthers. Tatawagan nga si Hatchazo ng technical foul on that last sequence. So, Comprado on that free throw opportunity. Substitution on the side of the Greyhounds. Now Hachazo on the side of the Panthers. No good. Three minutes and 37 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Hachazo with that 1 point. Alano. May hawak ng ball on the side of the Greyhounds. Greyhounds on the offense. Ten seconds to shoot para dito sa Greyhounds. Hermosa. No good on that 3-point attempt. Offensive rebound para kay Reyes. But the ball possession will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Panthers. 51-42 on our scoreboard. Again, this live coverage is powered by Converge. Sa mga team bahay po, mapapanood po tayo sa live streaming ng Oragon Sports TV, Bucal Facebook page at ng One Media TV48 Naga. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. Napatime out dito ang side ng Panthers to loosen up and clear things out. And on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, again, kailangan pa rin nila ditong doblehin ng kayod para mahabol dito ang kalamangan ng ating Annunciation Panthers, because starting on the latter part of our first quarter, hindi na po dito nakakuha ng kalamangan ng ating UNC Greyhounds. So what would be the adjustment on their side? Again, back to the ball game. Ball possession ngayon ng Panthers. And 3 points para dito kay Hachazo. Iba dito ang ating Greyhounds, no good. Detura, nagmamadali dito on the side of their team. But Maru, what a beautiful layup on that last play. So it's a collective effort on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, because all of their teammates are contributing. And a foul was called on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Menace. Pasok ang second attempt na yon. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers. Maru, heavily guarded here. Passing the ball to Hachazo, pero medyo napalakas ang pasang yon. So ball possession will go on the side of the Greyhounds. Detura, passing the ball to Hachazo. And a foul was called on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now Hachazo for a free throw opportunity. No good on that first attempt. Let's see on the second try kung makakakuha ba dito ng additional point ang Panthers. In and out ball. And now, chance for the Greyhounds here to score. Hermosa, nagmamadali at pumasok sa loob. Pero great steal on the side of Panthers. Hachazo, mid-range jumper, no good. Offensive rebound para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Detura to Hachazo, fires for that 3-point, no good. Menes, securing that ball, passing the ball to Alano. Ball possession, still on the side of the Greyhounds. So substitution on both teams. Last 1 minute of our third quarter. Alano looking for his teammate, passing the ball to jersey number 7, Lomberio. And now Alano pumasok sa gitna at makakakuha ng point conversion. And a traveling violation was called on Hamoragan on that last play. Alano looking for his teammate. Passing the ball to Reyes. And now Menes with that mid-range jumper. Last 5 seconds of our third quarter. But no good on that attempt coming from Hamoragan, and that's the end of our third quarter. 56-47 lamang pa rin po dito ang Panthers. Magbabalik po kami for our fourth and final quarter only here at Dragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back for our fourth and final quarter. Again, live na live po tayo dito sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Again, matchup between the Panthers and the Greyhounds. So ang naiwan nga natin na score is 56-47. Abante pa rin po dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Let's see kung makakabawi ba dito ang UNC Greyhounds because this is their final stretch for our game today. Let's see kung makukuha nila ang panalo or will the Annunciation Panthers patuloy na aarangkada at masisecure ang panalo dito sa araw na ito. Ayan, back to the ball game. No good on that 3-point attempt coming from Hatchazo. Alano looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. No good para dito sa ating Greyhounds side. Now chance for the Panthers to score. Maru, no good on that 3-point attempt. Back to the Greyhounds ball possession. Lomberio for that long three. No good. Ball will stay on the side of the Greyhounds. Alano fires for that 3-point attempt, no good, pero second chance point coming from Sunga on that last sequence. Detura, may hawak ng bola para dito sa Panthers. Hatchazo will try, no good. Offensive rebound para dito kay Maru. But stepping on the line, so ball possession will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. No good. Offensive rebound para kay Alano. Wala pa din. But on that third try, jersey number 4, Sunga, delivers on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Naibaba na po dito sa 5 puntos ang dapat habulin ng Greyhounds. What a nice hustle on their side. Napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng Panthers because again, napakaganda ng pinapakita dito ng Greyhounds sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter. No room for complacency at this moment for these both teams. Ayan, snapshot of the Panther squad. Ayan, quick shoutout po tayo sa ating mga live viewers. A shoutout po kay Nachi Balaoro, kay Raymart Alminye, kay Crizela Eva Dumalayas, at kay Algin Guanizo. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. Back to the ball game, Maru passing the ball to Gobis. Ten seconds to shoot para dito sa Panthers. Maru, again, 3 points para sa kanya. Nice point conversion after the timeout called by their team. What a nice pass coming from Hermosa. And point conversion on that last sequence para sa Greyhounds. Maru will try one more time. Not this time, pero offensive rebound. But a nice steal on the side of Greyhounds. Alano, itatawid ang bola. Great steal coming from Hachazo. Detura taking his time. Looking for his teammate. Passing the ball to Maru. And now Hachazo naman magpapakawala ng tres. No good. The ball will go on the side of the Greyhounds. Hermosa, heavily guarded here, passing the ball to Reyes. And Reyes will score. Panthers, ball possession. Detura faking that one, passing the ball to Gobis. Maru taking his time and looking for his teammate. And will fire for 3. Napakagandang 3 points para dito kay Maru at napatawag nga ng timeout dito ang kupunan ng Greyhounds. Look at that. Long 3 by Maru. Marami ng tres ang napapakawalan dito ni Maru on the side of their team. Talagang hindi dito napipigilan ng Greyhounds si Maru. And shout out tayo sa mga live audiences dito sa loob ng Ateneo Naga Gymnasium. Shout out kay Veronica, kay Maui at kay Lizlyn. Maraming salamat po sa panunood. Yan, back to the ball game. Ball possession of Greyhounds. Hermosa. Heavily guarded here. But the ball will remain on their side. Sayang sana nung steal na yon. Medyo napalakas. Hermosa looking for his teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. No good on that attempt. Pero offensive rebound para dito sa Greyhounds. 5 seconds to shoot para sa Greyhounds. Alano. No good. And a shot clock violation para dito sa Greyhounds. Now, Panthers with the ball possession. Detura ay tatawid ang bola. Maru looking for his teammate. And nice steal coming from the ground side. What a block coming from Maru on that last sequence. Let's hear the replay. So that's the block coming from Aru. Reyes with a traveling violation. Grobat ibabalik dito on the side of the Greyhounds. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for our game. Maru to Gobis. Ten seconds to shoot para dito sa Panthers. Ditura will fire for that 3. No good. And rebound para dito kay Alano. Derecho at makakakuha ng puntos. Nice move coming from Alano. Domasian will fire for 3. No good. Offensive rebound para dito sa Panthers. Domasian to Diaz. And Detura. No good on that. So another opportunity para dito sa Greyhounds. 62-57. Hindi po nagkakalayo ang ating score. Five-point lead ang kailangang habulan dito on the side of the Greyhounds. What a nice steal coming from Detura but stepping on the line. Sayang yon para dito sa Panthers. Alano, napakaganda ulit. Pumasok sa loob with no hesitation. And with that, 59-62 na po ang ating scoreboard. Maru, babawi ba? Wala. Pero offensive rebound on the side of their team. But nice steal para dito sa Greyhounds. And a foul was called on Diaz. No good. And that attempt coming from Alano. Detura passing the ball to Maru. Nice steal coming from the Greyhounds. Greyhound is now on fire para dito sa ating fourth quarter. Talagang paunti-unti silang humahabol. Panthers, they need to add their score here with a good offense. And that's what they need. (64-59). Kanino kaya mapupunta ang larong ito? And quick shout out ulit tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out kay Beboy Munares Esquilona, Kenji Duca, and Johnny Me Gobis. Maraming salamat po. Napatawag nga dito ng timeout ang Greyhounds. Ano kayang gagawin nila ditong adjustment? One minute and 51 seconds remaining para dito sa ating match. Again, this is the final week of our second round of elimination. Back to the ball game. No good on that attempt. Magawa ng bola dito, Gorobat, may hawak ng bola. Passing the ball to Comprado. Chance for the Greyhounds here to score. Alano fires for 3. No good. Offensive rebound para dito sa Greyhound side. But a nice steal para dito kay Gobis. Turnover on the side of the Panthers. So another chance or opportunity on the side of Greyhounds here to chase the lead na hawak ngayon ng Panthers. Comprado, heavily guarded by Maru. At libreng-libre nga dito si Alano, rather Gorobat on that last sequence. 61-65, napakaganda ng paghabol dito ng Greyhounds. Panthers, ano kayang gagawin dito to secure their lead? And another crucial turnover para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, Greyhounds with the ball possession. Comprado na block doon. Agawan niya ng bola dito. Ball possession will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Aagawan pa nga dito ng bola, and that's it. Nice steal coming from the Greyhounds. 28 seconds remaining for our game. At mapapatawag pa nga dito ng timeout ang Greyhounds to make sure na kaya nilang i-clutch itong game na ito. Four points ang kailangang habulan dito ng Greyhounds. And on the side of Panthers, if you want to win this game, no room for error. At dagdagan ang kalamangang hawak nila to secure this game. What a game. An intense matchup between these two teams. Now back to the ball game. Ball possession ng Greyhounds. Chance for them to lessen the gap and snatch this game. Grabe, what a nice steal coming from Ditura. And Ditura making sure na magkakaroon sila ng puntos. What a nice steal coming from the side of Panthers. Ball possession ng Panthers. Anong gagawin dito ng Greyhounds? 15 seconds remaining. Maru passing the ball to Domasian, and Domasian delivers. Congratulations para dito sa Annunciation Panthers. Talagang kinapitan at hindi na pinabayaan yung kalamangan. And kudos din para dito sa UNC Greyhounds for showing great match for this morning. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood. Sa pagbabalik po natin, makikilala natin ang best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence in service with us.
Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
are back here sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Bucal Season 6. And our best player of the game is brought to us by KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker in Naga City. And together with me here is the best player of the game sa matchup ng Annunciation Panthers and UNC Greyhounds, none other than Peter Maru, gaining 20 points coming from 3 rebounds, 4 assists, and 4 steals. So congratulations, Peter, on your win against the Greyhound. So ikaw ang naging best player dito sa ating final week of second round of semifinal elimination. Ano ang nafe-feel mo knowing na ikaw ang nag-stand out on your team?
Masaya. Masaya kasi natalo namin maski kulang-kulang kami.
Okay, again, congratulations. So ano ba ang aabangan namin sa Annunciation Panthers coming on to the play-in next week?
Yung pag-bounce back namin. Sa first round po, maski talo kami palagi, ngayon babawi kami.
So ayan, talagang aabangan natin dito ang Annunciation Panthers at ang mga performance nyo pa. So meron ka bang gustong batiin at this moment kasi kayo ang nanalo ngayong araw na ito?
Una po, shoutout po sa pamilya ko po sa Cebu, sa Bantayan Island, Madridios, sa Barangay Kaungkod, sila ni Papa, Mama, at sa barkada ko po sa Kasikas Boys, at lalo na po sa Tagabakon, yung jowa ko po.
Ayan, thank you so much again. Together with me is our best player of the game, Mara Peter. Abangan po natin maya-maya ang iba't ibang plays and games pa dito sa Bucal Season 6. Again, my name is Rick Puerta and Peter Maru. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.